identification muna. License, purpose of that thing.
Ah, pang display lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, denial is also a hazard.
Risk is a possibility of suffering harm. In short, pwede kang mapahamak. And risk assessment is the scientific process of estimating that threat para hindi ka maging walking risk.
Bakit ako ang example?
Possible health problems, physical damage, emotional damage, or all of the above.
La, grabe siya. Uy, parang okay pa. Ayan na naman. Lord! Bakit pa ulit-ulit?
Hoy, personal na to ah.
Based on my scientific bias, hindi ka safe sa akin.
Hindi talaga ako safe sa vlog na ito.
So remember, hazard identification, dose response, exposure assessment, and risk characterization.
And Mei Jian finally learned his lesson.
Promise! Last na to!
Wait, if we can assess risk, we should also assess risk in farming, right?
Farming, land, soil. Am I safe here?
Ladies and gentlemen, the hazard has evolved.
Speaking of hazards,
From walking hazards to farm hazards.
Let's take this outside. Welcome to our next topic, sustainable agriculture.
Hey, today's vlog is about sustainable agri-po. Tabi, may peste.
Relax, gutom lang ako.
No, stop. Stop pest wars today. Today is an educational vlog. Sustainable agriculture. Farming that protects soil, water, and future generation. It keeps food production balanced with nature. Parang diet lang, pero earth version.
Sa biodiversity, hindi pwedeng tayo lang maganda sa planeta.
Traditional farming can cause land transformation, forests turn into farms.
Huh? So, that means too much pesticide and means goodbye soil nutrients like my hairline?
Break down pesticides. Are you ready, pest boy?
Hindi, bro. Sige na lang.
The first one is organophosphates, synthetic pesticides.
Second one is chlorinated hydrocarbons. Very toxic.
Why me?
Fumigants, gas for soda.
Ayoko maging, popcorn.
Inorganic pesticides, sulfur, mercury.
Mercury, hindi ako thermometer, no?
Natural organic pesticides. It's from plants. And the last one is microbial agents, bacteria that attacks pests.
So basically, the world hates me.
Yes.
Nice. Environmental affects farming too. Heavy rains, floods, wind erosion, and global warming.
That's why sustainable farming matters. Earth has limits unlike our assignments.
Take care of the environment because unlike your ex, the environment actually gives something back.
This is our vlog promoting sustainability one farm at a time. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Long live and peace.